When you enter the campground, find a level spot and park the car with the front of the vehicle facing the wind. Take the safety pin from the locking mechanism on both sides and push the tent to open. Take the ladder and hook it to the side of the tent. Open the locking pins on both sides with a twist. Slide the ladder apart until a desired length has been reached, and finally make sure to put the pins back in the original position. Unhook both elastic bands inside the tent before use. The tent comes equipped with a mattress, clean sheet and 2 pillows. Inside the ceiling you will find a cargo net, a light with a touch button, and an opening for air circulation to prevent condensation. If the weather is bad, you can tug the inner layer of the door between the mattress and the tent, but make sure to have the outer layer outside of the tent, preventing rainwater leaking inside. When closing the tent, hook both elastic bands together, slide the ladder back and make sure to leave it straight in the center of the tent. Make sure to leave at least one door open before closing the tent to let the air escape more easily. Pull the handle slowly down and make sure to tuck the tent well inside the box on the sides. Fully close the box and remember to put the safety pins back in the locking mechanism.